We have an array. We would like to split into two parts. First part being the head and second part is being tail. So the first thing we have to do is store this variable into an array, alphabets. And here there are two concepts we can use. One is using the square bracket. This is known as array destructuring. So what it will do, it will break this array and store into the individual element. For example, head will store the first element, that being A. And here we are using a conjunction of different concept, that is known as spread operator, triple dot. So instead of breaking into the individual element like B and C, it will store B and C as an array into the tail. Here we define this alphabet variable ABC. This is like normal array destructuring syntax, ABC. If you try to type A, it will point to A, and if you type to C, it will be C, and so on. So in our case, we alphabets contains A, B, C. So if you want to use like head and tail, like head will bring the first element A, and tail will contain the B and C. So head will contain A, and tail will contain B and C. So this is how the destructuring along with the spread operator work in a conjunction.